Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing, as most of you saw in my unboxing video, I have now got the rest of the door slammers collection, series even. So yeah, I'm going to be unboxing them, show you guys them out of the boxes. So as some of you might have seen in my first ever YouTube video, I unboxed the two that I originally had, which was the Escort, see that, and the Datsun. So yeah, I had those two before, which I unboxed in my first video, but now I managed to get hold of the final three. So yeah, as you can see, that's the 5 cars in the collection. Well, as I've picked the Alfa Romeo up, I might as well do that one first. So there it is, the Alfa Romeo. I was really looking forward to this one, I really like this car. GTA. Really nicely made. They have so much more detail on the premium cars. See that Alfa Romeo? Really nice, that one. I desperately need to get a display for them. As you would have seen in my last video, they're kind of just stuffed on a shelf at the minute, all the ones I've got open, and maybe I'll get a proper display case to do a bit of a review on one. But there's the Alfa Romeo. Next we'll do the 2002 BMW. And there is the BMW. Again, hopefully the video picks up. It's got a real shimmer to the white, similar to the Silvia that I opened in one of my other videos from the Street Tuner series. Again, another really nice car. BMW. All of the door slammers have got really nice wheels on them, I think. Another cool looking car. So there's the BMW. And finally, my favourite one, which I'm sure is the case with most people, is the 911 Porsche. And there it is, guys. 911 Porsche, Magnus Walker. I do have the mainline version of this car, but obviously the premium one is so much more detail. And the real rider wheels definitely just sets them off. Even the interiors look really cool. It's a bit hard to see on camera, but see there the bucket seats, dashboard and steering wheel. You can kind of see in the back there the roll cage. So yeah, there we have it, Porsche 911. BMW. Alfa Romeo. Ford Escort. And Datsun. There you have it, a full door slammers collection. Leave a comment which one you like the most. I think it's still the Porsche for me, but then again that Alfa Romeo is really a bit of a sucker for a red car, so it's a toss up between the Porsche and the Alfa, I think, for me. But let me know what you guys think. And yeah, please give the channel a subscribe and leave a comment, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.